In this educational video, we want to explain year-end tax documents related to your mortgage loan. Tax season can be a hectic time gathering the documents needed to file your taxes. We understand and want to help. The information contained in this video will provide an overview to aid in your tax preparation process and answer many commonly asked questions. The first document is the Year-End 1098 statement. This statement provides the mortgage interest you have paid on your mortgage loan during the calendar year and is reported to the Internal Revenue Service. On this statement, you will see other fields that may or may not contain information applicable to your mortgage loan for the tax year reported. Examples of these fields include points paid at closing on the purchase of a principal residence, refund of overpaid interest, and any mortgage insurance premiums paid throughout the year. The 1098 statement also reports the outstanding principal balance as of January 1st of the tax year being reported and the mortgage loan origination date. According to IRS regulations, there are a maximum of 13 mortgage payments that can be reported on the 1098 statement. Within a 24-month period, however, you cannot claim more than 24 payments. So, for example, if you claimed 13 payments last year, you can only claim 11 payments in the current year. You may be wondering how you can make 13 mortgage payments in 1 year. An example will better explain. Let's assume on December 30th, you made your January mortgage payment for the next calendar year. Since the payment was actually made in December and accrued interest in December, it will be reported on that year's 1098 statement. There is one very important question regarding your 1098 statement. When will I receive it? This question is important as it relates to your tax preparation process and the submission of your tax return on a timely basis. A paper copy of the 1098 is mailed no later than the end of January following the tax year being reported. Please allow several weeks for postal delivery as this is generally a busy time. For online mortgage access, however, 1098 information is estimated to be available online in mid-January following the tax year being reported. If you have online access, please check during this time frame. If you need a copy of your 1098 statement and you have online mortgage access, you can view and print your 1098 online. In addition, since your 1098 information has already been reported to the Internal Revenue Service, you can simply report the numbers that are shown online or that are given to you by a customer service representative. A paper copy is not required for the IRS. If you still need a duplicate copy, requests can be made by contacting customer service, but please keep in mind that duplicate 1098 requests will not be accepted until mid-February following the tax year being reported. There are special circumstances regarding year-end tax reporting that need to be considered as well, such as in the case where your mortgage servicer changed during the year. As a result of this change, you may receive 2 partial year 1098 statements. Please contact each mortgage servicer if you have questions about partial year 1098s. The second document to discuss is the 1099 interest form, referred to as the 1099 INT. This document is sent if you had an escrow account that earned $10 or more in interest throughout the tax year. If your account earned less than $10 in interest, a form will not be sent. Not all escrow accounts earn interest, and if your account does, the amount earned is determined by state guidelines. It is not related to the note interest rate. Additional factors that affect the amount of interest earned include changes to the amount of funds in your escrow account. For example, an increase or decrease in your taxes and/or insurance premiums can affect the amount of funds held in your escrow account, which in turn can affect the interest earned. There are several other year-end tax documents that could be sent depending on your individual situation. These forms include a 1099-A for loans that have completed foreclosure and a 1099-C for loans with loss mitigation activity. Let's take a minute to address a few other commonly asked questions regarding year-end tax statements. Number 1. Can the name on my 1098 be changed for tax reporting? The answer is no. The 1098 must remain in the name of the primary borrower as reflected on your mortgage note. Number 2, can the 1098 be faxed or emailed? The 1098 cannot be faxed or emailed. It can only be sent by U.S. mail. But remember, if you have online access, you can view and print your 1098 information without needing the paper copy. We hope you found this video informative. Remember, we are always here to help. If you have any questions about your mortgage loan, please contact us directly for assistance. For specific tax-related questions, however, please consult with your tax advisor or the Internal Revenue Service. Thank you for being a valued customer.